Hello, this is week 8 assignment about CSS. So here is the final project. I did a project on just F1. It's the same as HTML, although I did change some things. Just like a welcoming, just information for people to get about F1. Oops, sorry. So let's start off. Here's my script.css. For the homepage, the title, I aligned it to the center of the page, and then I did a drop shadow filter on it so that it has a little shadow behind it. Kind of looks like it's popping out. Excuse me. Let's see, team name. So here, team name dot team name. These have the class team name. I centered it and I underlined them. Then for the body, just the body in general, I put of this font family, and these are just, this is the main one, and then I'll back up if one fails. And then I did a margin 1 rem, 5 rem. The pick for the F1 pick up here, I displayed it to block with 40%, because it was stretched all the way out 100%. So I just like shortened it. Margin I set to auto. And border radius 3 pixels, which border radius is just like making the corners rounded a little bit. Although you can't see it because it's like really white. Down here, the table listing the top 3 teams. So dot center the table, and then the table head and the table data. I did a border of 1 pixel and then solid line, margin left and right auto, margin bottom 8 pixels. And then for the table data, which would be the team names, if you hover over it, I did a little background cover so people know what they're selecting. The driver's image, I did a border radius also. That just curves, border. Yes. Display block. I did auto for margin left and right with 50% because it looked weird. It looked funky. The margin top 20 pixels, although I don't believe I need the 20 pixels. Yeah, margin auto is just the browser automatically calculates the margin to fit or to like display cleanly, I believe. The home paragraph, also same thing, auto. I just unmarked it. Down here, it's displaying the rest of the team names. And then I just put a color for each of the team to represent them because that's their main colors. The color will represent the team. Now for up here, I have a navigation so you can see. It's not vertically, it is vertically, sorry, it's not horizontal. So I did margin 0, so it's completely all the way. The padding 20 pixels up and down, top, bottom 20 pixels left and right, and display an inline to be in the middle. The links. You can see that when you hover over it again, right here, I have a background color. And I just text aligned it centered. The color is black, padding 14 pixels, 16 pixels, which would be from the home from the little border. This around here is margin. Yeah. HTML. I just changed the background color of the whole page to the white. Paragraph In the center, everything's centered once you open the browser bigger, which I'll show. Now, if we click here to go to the about, it's going to show the about the top 3 teams: Red Bull, Mercedes, Ferrari. The images are blocked. Auto, 20% for the widths. This one might seem a little bigger. And then when you hover, oh no, that was it. Sorry. Everything's basically in line. And then as we come to contact, I made a form. The submit button has a little hover color to show. Display flex aligns lines like columns or rows with auto width and height. So I was able to put the form in the middle because it was originally all the way to the left. So I did a width of like 410 pixels. I don't know if that's good or not. Padding 12 pixels, 20 pixels, margin 0, auto 0 for top and bottom, auto for left and right. And I did a little border box. And yeah, that's basically the CSS that I use. Here you can see it full screen. Submit, put your first, last email, submit. The about team, again, it's just very basic, all in the middle. And then home. That's my week 8 assignment. Thank you. Oh.